Never have I ever had this much rum in my house before. Dangerous! Aloha and welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a couple of the signature cocktails over at Trader Sam's Tiki Lounge. For those of you who aren't familiar, Trader Sam's is located in the lower lobby of the Polynesian. It is so fun and such a unique experience. We're going to try to recreate some of these drinks at home. Please keep in mind while watching this video, I am not a mixologist. I do not have a background in bartending. I did used to be one heck of a waitress at a couple different restaurants. These recipes we are using today are from themeparkprofessor.com and I will link it down below. While you're there, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post videos every Friday and I've got some really fun stuff coming up for October. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. Links are down below. Let's get started. So some of these ingredients were pretty hard to find. I needed cinnamon syrup and I needed almond syrup. And neither of those flavors were available in like the Torani coffee syrups and I looked everywhere for them. So what I did for the cinnamon syrup is I went to my local Mermaid coffee place and I said, hey, would you mind if I had some of your cinnamon syrup? And they gave me a cup of it. So thank you, Seattle-based Mermaid coffee place. We are really excited that you were able to help us out today. And then for the almond syrup, we are gonna be making that from scratch. Don't worry, it's super duper easy. And I'll show you how to do that right now. To make our almond syrup today, we're just going to make a basic simple syrup. That's going to be 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. We're going to heat that over medium heat, stirring constantly until everything is all dissolved. Going to take that off of our heat, let cool for a little bit. Then we're going to add in 4 teaspoons of almond extract. Stir that in. Then we're going to set that aside and we can start making our first cocktail. We're going to start with my favorite cocktail from Trader Sam's, the Polynesian Pearl. To make our Polynesian Pearl, we're going to start off with a little bit of pog juice, some rum chata, an ounce of Grand Marnier, and then ½ an ounce of that cinnamon syrup. Gonna give that a nice little shake in our cocktail shaker, strain and serve. Let's drink it and see if it tastes like a Polynesian Pearl. It does taste like a Polynesian Pearl. The only note that I would make is it's a little bit more cinnamony than I'm used to at the parks. And I'm wondering if that's because of the type of cinnamon syrup, because I know that Mermaid coffee place, their drinks are very sweet and their syrups are very sweet. So I'm wondering if that is that way, because it's a little less orangey than I would like, but still very good. All right, let's make another drink. So the next drink we're gonna make was actually decided upon by you guys. So I posted on Instagram and Facebook and the answers were pretty unanimous. So I'm going to teach you today how to make the Tiki 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 Rum. I have not had this drink before. My big problem with the Tiki 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 Rum is it doesn't come in a fancy cup. And to me, that's kind of the whole shtick of Trader Sam's is getting something in a fun and fancy cup. So we're going to make the Tiki 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 Rum and I'm going to drink it out of Orangebird. This one's served over crushed ice, so we're just crushing some ice, topping with rum, cream of coconut, pineapple juice, orange juice, nice little shake in our shaker, pouring that into our cup, top with nutmeg and cinnamon. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Oh my, it's like all coming back to me that I did have a sip of this. Not a whole drink, but I had a sip of it when I was with Eddie. That is refreshing. Oh my goodness. It is delicious. Wow. So last and certainly not least, I decided the best way to transition into spooky season is with the spookiest drink they serve over at Trader Sam's. That's gonna be my buddy, the Shrunken Zombie Head. Now, to start the Shrunken Zombie Head, we need to make what's called zombie batch. So that's kind of the base of the drink. I'll start out by making that zombie batch for you. For that zombie batch, we got orange juice, sour mix, and that almond syrup. We're gonna give that a little stir. Then we're gonna start making our drink. You're gonna put in that zombie batch, some gold rum, Appleton rum, and dark rum. Shake, shake, shake. Then we're gonna serve that on ice. I'll never forget the first time at Trader Sam's, this was the first drink I ever had. And my server was Skipper Corey, and he said, you have to kiss the zombie before you drink it for good luck. So I'm not one to break with tradition, so let's go ahead and do it. Oh yeah, and then they serve it like this. Oh yeah. That's definitely correct. Yep. And with this little zombie head, we're saying farewell to summer and hello to fall. Thank you again for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've been to Trader Sam's before, leave me a message in the comments. What's your favorite Trader Sam's cocktail? And if you've never been to Trader Sam's before, what's your favorite Disney Parks drink? My favorite cocktail that's not from Trader Sam's is the avocado margarita at La Cava del Tequila. OMG, delicious. Thank you again, friends. Have a magical day.